new designer. Babe headband to cover my lineup. Ayy.
What is good, YouTube? It's your boy, Eli Mack, gang. Hey man, today we finna go crazy, bro. Hey, today I decided I'm about to bring it back to the old Eli, man. So for y'all that don't know, bro, a while ago I had a channel back in like the summer of 2016. It was called Mad Monkey TV. It was me and my cousin. I used to do like hair tutorials and like 2K tutorials and stuff like that. Yeah, man. So I would do hair tutorials like how to dye your hair, how to sponge your hair, and stuff like that. And it would get like, you know what I'm saying, a lot of views. So I guess people like to see that stuff, man. And I've been getting a lot lately. Like a lot of my supporters, y'all been saying like, yo, how you do your hair? How you get your hair like how it is? Is it dreads? Is it this? So I'm gonna just run everything down for y'all, man. Before I do that though, make sure you hit that like button, that subscribe button, that notification bell, cause guess what, y'all? Guess what, bro? We almost at 4,000 subs, bro. I just wanna say, I wanna thank y'all boys so much, man. I swear to God, like, I looked at my phone, I looked at a picture, and it said like a month and a half ago, I was at 900 subscribers, bro. 900 in a month and a half ago. And when I first started this YouTube stuff, like before I posted my first like YouTube video, I think I was at like 600 subscribers. So to be at almost at 4,000, that means we've gained like 3,400 subscribers in a matter of a couple months, bro. So the grind not gonna stop, man. We gonna keep going. Hey, 4K after that, 5K, 10K, 20, you know what I'm saying? We running up to 1 million, man. I'm so happy for all y'all that's on this journey with me. Like, it's gonna be so crazy when we come back and look like, damn, look where we came from, man. So, yeah, man, this gonna be a different video, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna just try it out, you know, let me know what y'all think. Also, I want y'all to let me know, like, tell me how I've been doing it just as a YouTuber, period, like, as a content creator. Like, is my quality good? Is everything good? You dig what I'm saying? Because, like, we almost have 4,000 subs, so that means it's like a snowball effect, man. More people gonna be coming in and watching the channel, so I wanna make sure I'm bringing you the content. So if y'all rock with what I'm doing, man, just comment down below and just say you rock with it, man. Let me know, man. Let me know, bro. But yeah, man, let me tell y'all about my hair, bro. So my hair, I've been growing my hair since, God damn, I ain't cut my hair since like 2015, I think. So yeah, in 2015, I went on a cruise, and I'm gonna show y'all pictures throughout this video. I went on a cruise and I had like a little joint, but my joint used to be like this. I had the Odell Beckham hairstyle, so it used to be like a little mohawk like this, and it came down like on the back. So like last year, I went and I cut the back off, and I just kept the top. And like I do a lot of different styles, bro. I be getting braids. You know, it was one point when I wanted to get full-fledged dreads. I be doing a whole bunch of stuff with my hair. I'm gonna just show y'all the different things. I always get designs. Right now, I don't have a haircut. I'm looking type rough. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all, but it's all good though, man. You know what I'm saying? When I do get my haircut, I'm gonna do another updated video so y'all can kind of see how it looks with a haircut and design and everything like that. But today, I'm just gonna show y'all how to basically twist your hair up, dog. So it's really easy, bro. Like a lot of people like make it seem like it's so hard on these videos, dog. Listen, what you wanna do is you wanna go to your local like Dollar Tree, Dollar General or something like that. This joint right here was $5, bro. I don't know if y'all can see it. It's called Lock and Gel, Jamaican Mango and Lime joint. This joint's mad like gooey and shit like that. Like it's ready. I need to go get some more. I ain't even gonna cap. So basically what you do is you take it, right? Like when you do go get it. And for me, it was $5. Where y'all at, it might be cheaper or it might be more. I don't know. But I was at a Dollar General store, so you know everything is type cheap. So yeah, you take it, right? You want to put it in your hands. You want to rub it like this. And this is what I do every time, bro. I used to do this every day, but I ain't gonna lie, I ain't been doing it for a long time because I ain't really been caring. But like this hairstyle now is kind of like my signature, just like the afro, just with like little weird like locks in it. And just letting it do what it do. It's called freeform dreads for y'all that don't know, like type shit, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I just literally used the last bit for this video. That's crazy. That's wild. So I gotta go get some more probably today. I go cop some, cause I gotta keep this on deck. Cause every time I go out, I put this in my hair and I twist it up. You know what I'm saying? Keep it fresh and everything like that. What this gel does is it basically locks your hair up. So all these little like, you dig what I'm saying? All these little joints. Like if I really worked hard and actually twisted these joints every day and went hard, like I could have dreads, bro. I just kind of like the dirty look, like how it just does what it does. But people like, bro, that joint nasty, bro. Just turn it into dreads. Some niggas like, yo, that joint's sweet. You know what I'm saying? I do what I want to do, bro. So look, then next thing you do, you want to get a sponge. Now I ain't gonna lie, I need to get me a bigger sponge because I've been talking to some of y'all on live. And y'all was saying that these holes are too little. So what y'all want to do is get a sponge with bigger holes. But if this is all you got right now, this works pretty good because it'll make like little joints. You dig what I'm saying? Like, so look, bro, let's go. Let's just get into it. I'm talking too much. So look, bro, you just want to do this. You want to twist in a circular motion, the same motion every time you ever twist your hair. Never ever go the other way, because you're gonna undo your hair, bro. So I'm gonna fast forward this and yeah. So y'all see already, right? I ain't been doing it for that long, but like you see like just little twists coming in and stuff like that. Like watch, I'm gonna keep going, y'all. And then for this right here, this joint always drops, bro. So what I usually do with it is I just do this right here with it. You feel me? And it's like kind of just like this little dropper joint. And that joint just be all over the place sometimes, bro. So, but yeah. Damn, bro. Y'all see this joint? Like, bro, if y'all notice, bro, it's like little, it's like sectioning my hair and then like twisting the little joints, bro. Like, it's crazy, bro. When I have a haircut and everything, this joint be looking so sweet. I swear to y'all, like, I be looking like that. Nigga, boy, I'm telling you that. I'm gonna keep going, though. Hold up. You wanna twist for like, why am I brain farting? You wanna twist for like 5 minutes, bro. Like 5 to 7 minutes, bro. Make sure you get the front too, like right here. You feel what I'm saying? So look, man, I'm actually not done twisting because my hair takes a lot longer to twist because I got a lot. But I'm gonna show y'all the next process, bro, so we can get this video done so y'all can go on about y'all day and go play Fortnite, 2K, whatever y'all gotta do, whoever y'all watch, y'all favorite YouTubers, y'all can go on. I'm not trying to hold y'all up. So look, bro, after y'all do that, y'all wanna take y'all hair, right? And like every little part that kind of twisted, you feel what I'm saying? You just wanna take it and then just twist it yourself with your fingers, bro, throughout your whole head. And like, I know you're like, damn, that might take a lot of time, bro. It's a lot of, bro. If y'all is chilling on the phone, FaceTime with your shorty, y'all can twist. You know what I'm saying? If you watching a movie, y'all can twist while you watching a movie. You know what I'm saying? If you at the movie, like whatever, bro, whatever you doing, you should have a one hand free. Only time you shouldn't be able to have a hand free is if you playing the game or, you know what I'm saying? Y'all little nasty niggas. But yeah, bro, it's simple though, bro. Like real talk. Just go through and just twist your hair all around, bro. Hold on, let me do this super cool. Hey man, so look, bro, and the thing about this, you do not want to like go on a shower and wash your hands and shit like that, bro, like 24/7, because you're gonna take all the locks out. You gotta wait until the locks is fully locked before you start, you know what I'm saying, messing with it. But yeah, that's pretty much it, bro. You know what I'm saying? I usually go a lot longer to get it like fully how I want it. But yeah, that's pretty much it, bro. That's basically how you get freeform dreads, man. I hope this helps some of y'all boys, man. For some of y'all, it's gonna be easier because y'all gonna have like shorter hair. Y'all gonna be at the starting point. So at the starting point, if you do what I did, I swear to you, bro, them dreads gonna start locking up. Probably in like, not locking up, but start twisting and evening itself out like within like the first time you twist. And then after probably like a week or so of keep doing it, it's kind of like getting waves. You know, you gotta keep going at it. It's just like this, bro. You just gotta keep going at it, bro. A lot of y'all be like, Eli, why don't you cut your hair and get waves? Bro, I'm not a copycat, bro. Like just because everybody else is doing it, I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna be rocking do-rag and stuff like that, like everybody else. You know what I'm saying? I'm doing what I do, and this is my style, man. This is the Eli Mack style, man. Gang. So look, man, it's been a good video. We teed up. I taught y'all boys something. I hope y'all learned a lot today. Like I said, bro, hit that sub button. We so close to 4K, bro. That's crazy, dog. 4,000, like. Niggas came a long way, bro. We gonna keep going up after 4K. Like I said, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Yeah. I run on my check. I fuck on your bitch. I suck on the titties. Yeah. These niggas, they hate. But nigga, what you gonna do? Shoot them with the 50. Yeah. I don't give a fuck. I ball on these niggas like my name was 50 Cent. Ooh, damn. Eli Mack trapping. Ooh, yeah. These niggas acting. Ooh, yeah. He said that he tough. I swear to God, that nigga captain. Pull up on him with a blanket, put it on his head. Now he a captain. Wait, what? That don't make sense, but look at your bitch. She paying my rent the way that I gave it his dick. Yeah. Bitch, I be trapping. No, I'm playing. But yeah, bro, y'all know Eli Mack can freestyle, man, any day, bro. I just start making shit up on my head, baby. Hey, but I love y'all boys, man. We out of here, man. This your boy Eli Mack. Gang.
Hold up, man. What are you doing, man? If you not wearing no Eli Mack merch, then you looking crazy out here, man. You gotta go copy you a hoodie, gotta copy you a t-shirt, gotta copy you a phone case, a hat, something, man. Go crazy, man. It's Eli Mack gang. We got the best drip on YouTube, no cap. Let's get it.
out new designer. Babe headband to cover my lineup. Ayy, shorty, she bad like Rihanna. Pushy bougie, she won't eat any Hana. Ayy, I hit a lick in a Honda. Then in the future, I'll with some commas. Ayy, I used to believe in Santa till I turned into the Grinch with a hammer.